Who is she? Who is she, you guys? Well, hey you, my name is Isata, but you can call me Ice because I'm icy, wifey. Just call me Ice. I am so excited to be partnering with Sephora to bring you this spring makeup look tutorial featuring Armani Beauty. What's trending right now is the clean girl makeup look, which is basically no makeup look that is sleek and elevated. I believe that Armani Luminous Silk line is the perfect product line to achieve that look because it gives you that luminous, hydrated, glowy skin. As you can see, I am glowing from inside out, but also maybe it might be the product that's making me glow like this. With that said, keep watching and get ready with me to achieve this clean girl makeup look with the sprinkle of Armani boldness. Let's go. First thing first, prepping your skin is so important in achieving a very fresh, flawless, dewy look. So I'm going to be using Armani Beauty's Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. I love this primer right here. It feels so light, yet it's so hydrating. So it leaves a gorgeous glow as a foundation to your makeup. And I know like the foundation is supposed to be the foundation of your look, but honestly, I feel like the primer is a foundation for a very flawless makeup application. But that's just me though. Look at that. It's giving fresh, it's giving healthy, and it's giving glowy skin. Now I'm gonna apply Armani Beauty's Luminous Silk Foundation. This is in shade 1325. I'm gonna use my hands to apply this because this is designed to be applied with fingers. So why not, right? Wow. I think that this is everyone's favorite foundation, especially when you're trying to achieve like a dewy look, which is what we're going for today. Look at that finish, you guys. It's really giving skin. Like, what foundation? This looks like my skin, but better. It also blurs whatever little imperfections that you have. As you can see, I didn't apply any foundation on my forehead. That's just a personal choice. But to be honest, I feel like it gives you that flawless, natural finish. And that's what we're going for. The sun is beaming. Like, isn't that crazy? You apply Luminous Silk and then the sun's just gonna start luminizing. Is that even a word? I think the Luminous Silk brought out the sun. I mean, come on. Another key to this clean girl makeup is a bright under eye. I have this concealer which is brighter than my skin tone in number 8, and I'm gonna apply it under my eye. I also have it in 14, which is darker than my skin tone, and I'm gonna use it as a contour. This is Armani Beauty Luminous Silk concealers. This is 8 and this is 14. These concealers are very blendable, and also it is non-creasing, which means it's not gonna be moving. And who wants their makeup to be moving all day? Not I. Very bright under eye. That's what's in right now, okay? Gonna get the nose, the cupid's bow, the chin. Everywhere that the light naturally hits. I'm gonna take this and place it where I want my contour to be. This like requires a lot of focus. It's like art class. That's what I love about makeup. It's like literally like art class. Sometimes I ask my husband if I can give him a shape up because I feel like if you can do makeup, you can give your man a shape up. If I can sculpt my face, then I can give you a shape up. I'm using my beauty blender now to just like blend everything in, blend everything together. You see how seamlessly this blends? Once you lift the eye, like your whole face is lifted. You're gonna look awake. It blends so seamlessly. I love this. We look fresh. We look dewy. We are glowing. Just flawless. Come on, Luminous Silk. My skin is looking like silk. Is that why it's called Luminous Silk? Because it's glowing and it's silky. I'm feeling myself. I'm gonna apply my blush very high on my cheekbones because I feel like it just lifts your face, makes you look flushed and just so pretty and gorgeous. I'm gonna finish off by applying Armani's Luminous Silk powder And this is just gonna extend that glow that we already have going on. Yes, ma'am, Pam. It brings the whole look together seamlessly as well. So I absolutely love this powder. It's spring, so we need a pop of color. So we're gonna be using Armani Beauty's eye tint. This right here, it does it all. You can use it as an eyeshadow, you can use it as a highlighter, you can use it as a blush, you can do anything that you want. And also the multi-purpose applicator on this allows you to do an eyeliner if you wanted to, a graphic liner. I love how smoothly this glides on. I'm winging it. When I say I'm winging it, I don't mean like the winged liner. I just mean like, I don't know what type of liner I'm gonna do. I wonder if that's how winged liners came about. Somebody just winging it with their eye look, and then next thing you know, you have a wing eyeliner. This is cute. Ooh, she's cute. Mamma mia. Mamma mia, mamma mia. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Done. By the way, this is the color number 41 Fusion. A little glowy highlight right here and right here. So far, we're looking amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara and my lashes off camera, and I'll be right back to finish off the look. And we're back. I am completely feeling myself right now. Last but not least, a look is never complete without the perfect lip. So I'm going to be using Armani Beauty's lip power, contemplating between 403 and 503. If you really want to go for that minimal clean girl makeup look, then you'd want to go with 503. I kind of want to go dramatic. I want to make a statement. I feel like this spring, what's trending is a lot of like statement. So one of my favorite things about these lip powers is that you don't need any lip liners with this. The colors are so intense and vivid. Love it. Application is so effortless. This is my go-to lip right now. 403 is always that girl. It's so hydrating as well, which I love. I don't like when my lips feels dry. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls wear bold colors. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair together and I'll be back for the final look. Oh, so this is the final look. The finish is absolutely stunning. I am glowing. I feel like I can breathe. I'm not cakey at all whatsoever. My skin feels fresh. It feels dewy. We have some bright under eye. My skin is seamless. It blends in perfectly with the rest of my skin tone. It barely feels like I have anything on, even though I do. That's the beauty of the Armani Luminous Silk line. Just look at the glow. Am I blinding you yet? You should be blind right now because the glow is just stunning. Anyway, so all of the products I use are only available at Sephora. And if you've enjoyed this look, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment below your favorite product. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.